I don't want it to fall off.
All right, what are you doing today?
We're replacing a mirror on a 95 Miata.
95 Miata, the second NA, whatever design.
Is this for YouTube?
Yep. A couple ways to do this. If you have non-power mirrors looking online, you should be able to just push this to the side and pull this off like that out. It's looking like ours isn't going to be like that. Or at least we don't want to break it. And it looks like inside there, a piece is going to pull out from in there. It's going to break that. So we're just going to put the new glass on the mirror like so. So we already cleaned this pretty well. This is just residue. And you're going to want to wipe this with like isopropyl alcohol, you know.
Acetone?
Acetone. So that might eat through the plastic though. We use isopropyl alcohol to clean the surface, ready to tease it. All right, so you're gonna want to get some isopropyl alcohol and a rag. Ian, where's your rag? It's a great rag. I'm just gonna clean the surface. I wouldn't sniff that though.
It feels cold.
It's gonna be. Make sure the surface is prepared for adhesive. Because you want to make sure that when we put the adhesive on it, it's gonna stick.
Yes, verdad.
All right, so it is still a little damp now that we use the isopropyl alcohol. So if you have some type of air compressor to, you know, blow in there, be best case scenario. We don't, so we're gonna let it dry for a second, but we're gonna make sure this fits in there, matches up properly. So look at that, it's perfect. So I just wanna make sure it's actually gonna match up in there and fit before we're trying to tease it. So now we're gonna wait a second for it to dry, then we're gonna get to the teasing process. All right, and then our kit comes with 4 adhesive pads. We're gonna do 1 in each corner, and then we're also gonna use a little bit of spray adhesive on top of that. I'll show you do that in a second. Kind of like that, you know, that's all right. And then we may not even need the spray, but we're just gonna do a light film just to cover in this area. Well, actually,
it's not even gonna touch the.
It's not even a touch.
So we just need the stickies.
So
it's for moral support, dog.
I guess. Sorry, I thought about putting that on there, but I mean, look how far away this is from the actual.
It's got some thickness.
Yeah, thickness.
1C.
So, take off the. Take off the. Yeah. Okay. Throw it on the ground. Just. Little pad, little plastic adhesive covers. And let the person, whoever car it is, do it. So if they mess up, they get mad at themselves.
Is this correct? Yes, verdad.
Bro. You live here too. All right.
You should if you have the right replacement. Some of them are wrong. They'll say they're for Miatas. They're not. The right replacement will fit inside of this black ring.
I recorded a part making sure we test fit it. Don't worry, I'm ahead of you on that.
It ain't for a Suzuki, dog. Amazon's lying to you. See?
Now, it'd be ideal to get that black piece of plastic out and hold it against it. But, I mean, I don't even think there's a way to do that. Well, there probably is, but I'm not trying to damage anything.
My fingerprints are all over it.
We have a mirror now. Look at that.
Pretty dang close. It ain't gonna be a perfect fit. It's very close.
It's pretty close.
It will pass inspection. Cops will not pull you over.
I think you have just any piece of glass there, they wouldn't know.
Any piece of glass, dog.
So, well, there you go. An Miata passenger side glass.